pulled it in. I done pulled it in. It's time to start taking it apart, getting it together. Taking it apart and getting it together. All the lights work though. They're functional. Everything works. You know. I gotta figure out what's going on with the interior lights. But other than that, we're cooking with fish grease over here. Cooking with fish grease. I got a few outlets on this side. Let's get it. These door lights. This one at the bottom right here. I think the bulbs might be bad, to be honest with you. That's all it could be because all the interior lights are on. Jewelry? Nope. So we're gonna see. Figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. I'm thinking that I'm thinking it's bad. So the bulb for the doors, maybe. Let's see. What if I open the door, unlock it and see? Yeah, I know this one's out over here on this side. So it might just be bad bulbs, to be honest. Gotta redo the door panels and all of that. Get the seats redone as well. Don't like how they came out, but I did paint the dash and everything else. Got all the lights on. One day at a time. But I'm about to strip all the paint off of it, sand it down, do a lot of body work here and there. Remove these fender flares, debadge it, order the new rails, and get it. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, I don't know why that I don't know why it's not coming on. I know it's for the door. Maybe it's, yeah, the door light's just not coming on. I think it might be a because I gotta change these out too. I bought new covers for these. I changed that one out at the bottom over there, but I purchased new ones for the doors, so I'm gonna change those out. I'll figure it out, see what the hell going on. I know that bulb over there is bad. The one underneath right there, that one was good, but it might have went out. And this one used to work too, so but yeah. Let's go. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get it together. So yeah, other than that, let's go.